Mine's is done. Mine's is done.
The animal. Stop, and the cage is full. The cage is full. The day is new. And
Mommy,
Mommy,
that one goes who died. Mommy, that one goes who died. People always die there.
That's okay. You know, I still don't know what I want to be.
Because their food is nasty.
Because after a while, they didn't even care about them.
Yeah, but then remember when they escaped from the fences and they went to go swim?
The only one that actually escaped was
the mint Tic Tac slime. Satisfying slime.
And Layla's not satisfying. Done!
Slime. This is going to be on YouTube. You know that, right?
Yeah. So see, mine is clear, but hers is white glue. But she just dyed it.
Satisfying mint Tic Tac slime.
Oh, and by the way, if you want to know the recipe, she used white glue, stay flow, and that's it. And food coloring.
It's gonna get dry.
Yeah, food coloring.
And mix that all together with a spoon.
Someone home?
And
I think someone's home, guys.
Pinkie Pie!
Is someone home?
Pinkie Pie!
I think he's home.
So, who's home?
my mom. Oh,
She is?
Emma's fine with
What to
this.
say? And the only man well, of course you is.
My dad is fine with slime.
Oh, he is? Okay.
I thought he said he's tired of it.
I love my slime, guys. It feels so good. It's like awesome.
Hello.
Thank you.
The girl I just showed her name is
I
Zola.
don't think I can dye this.
After the bad girl,
Excuse me,
What
dye
say?
person. I gotta dye.
Food
Which
dye?
one's blue?
I'll do the bad for you, please. I need help.
Guys, which one's blue?
I don't know.
There's no blue. Like, she can't find it. So, it's either
This
green or yellow.
is Zola.
I'll have green.
Yeah, you're here. You're here.
And make sure you do 4 drops of food coloring.
4 drops of food coloring.
Me. Okay, hold on. Here. Hurry. Hurry. Chico, what? It's fine. And then mix that through nice and neat. So see? Mix that through. If you want a nice green, keep mixing it. Oh, dang it, I got orange in mine. Someone didn't close the top. And if you don't like the color, you can add only 1 drop. That's it. Only 1. And then clear slime, you get a little messy, but it turns out to work.
This is, if you do white glue,
Don't get any colors on my table. Not me. My mom and dad will be so mad. Whoever did orange, they got color.
No, we can't get yellow.
Yellow.
Give me yellow.
well, we gotta clean that up.
Well, let's clean up then.
So, love, can you help? No! Not that one. What?
Hey, where did you hide the bag, Zola?
Amy found them.
Oh, I need a bag too.
Just go up there and open that door.
Okay. Mint.
Amy, right here. What do you want?
Hello, Amy.
The bag
Green is yellow.
Make blue.
Hi, Dad.
Here.
Hi, Mr. Dave.
Hi. Here you go.
We're making slime. We're making slime. This is Amy.
No, we can't go just use this one now.
But it's so tiny. It's okay. For one
slime is it?
Mine. I want it to be like a kind of zombie color. Well, no, I want it to be grass. I like grass. I like grass.
Grass helps the world live.
Glass helps the world live.
Yeah.
And that is right. Can't even close this. It's so tiny. I made mint Tic Tac slime. Oh gosh. Yeah, we made slime.
Jesus, Angela.
What?
Watch out. Sorry. Get my way.
I wish we could add glitter.
Yeah, I wish we got a glitter too. I have glitter, but I don't use
Stuff
it.
to it? No.
Okay.
Okay. Slime. Slime.
Slime.
Slime. Slime.
Slime.
Slime.
Slime.
Stop looking. Hey, Monty.
Slime.
So, once your hair is in my What?
You ready to go yet?
She's staying here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Kyle's staying here then. Then let's go. Okay, my phone. Bye, guys.
So,
Guys, if you're wondering what's going on, and if you're wondering what's going on in this video and you're new to my channel, well, I'll tell you what's happening. We are making slime today with special friends, with special friends named Layla and Amy.
don't they get paid? They did. Emma already paid them. $50 for, oh no, she paid them 40.
So we're making slime with like two awesome friends.
Hi, this is Amy. Amy, say hi. Hi.
And this
Go
is
follow
Layla.
her YouTube channel.
Go follow Amy's YouTube channel and follow,
I have a YouTube channel, but I just don't want to say it.
you don't have a YouTube
I
channel.
do.
No, you don't.
Yes, she does.
What?
Amy's in one. One's about Mr. Bear Bear.
I'm in all of them.
Mm-hmm.
Not all of them, but some of them.
Yeah, but Kevin's in there.
You don't have a
They're
YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do.
I made one. It's called Layla Salisbury. Capital L, capital S, Layla, space for Salisbury, SAULSBERRY.
Is that your
It ends with a berry. Yes, that's my last name. It ends with a berry, Salisbury. But like always,
Guys,
Kennedy Bell calls me Raspberry. Or Razzle Dazzle
She
Bear.
calls her
Razzle
Ball.
Dazzle. Oh yeah, I call Kennedy Ball. Or I say, let's go play some bouncy ball. Or let's go
Wait,
play some dodgeball.
wait. Can we play with the Seashell Lagoon?
Not today, Makiko. I am exhausted. No, I'm just joking.
Are you actually exhausted? Or, ooh, let me feel yours. Oh.
Your hair is in my face, Layla. Feel mine. It's really nice.
Feel mine.
It's like we all made our green. See, it goes to light green, lime green, and then dark green.
The Mint Tic Tac explosion.
Okay.
Green.
Mine is called. What's that one? The green stuff? The toxic. Mine is toxic slime.
Mine's green apple slime. Mine is Mint Tic Tac
Green
slime.
apple glassy
Actually,
slime.
wait. Actually,
Mine's green apple glass. Hold on, no one can see each other. There we go.
mine
Put
is
slimes together. I'm just joking.
mine is mint slime.
Mine is toxic slime.
Mine's green apple slime.
Or mine could be a zombie colored pie. You guys choose in the comments what slime is our color.
I mean, what slime is your favorite? The mint slime, the toxic slime, or the red apple? I mean,
Green apple.
Green apple. I almost said red apple.
See, here's mine. The nice glitter.
And here's mine. It's all about me. No, it's not. I was just kidding, Amy. I know. It's all about the mint. No.
You keep saying, it's all about the mint. No. So my slime looked out really good. I had a struggle.
Guys, I can't record videos about 15 minutes.
So we're gonna end with our video in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, I didn't stop it.